Regis students. So I've jumped down into lab 7.1. This video, I've rebuilt it again. The whole point is for you to walk away with just understanding what the access points are. All right, so we're not trying to have you be deep technical user, but you need to understand the basics so that you can start to dissect if things are going wrong, like for instance with a rogue access point. So what I created for you is a simple time flow. And so the time points T0 to T5 that describes how when you're going to get a lease and how an attacker basically can phish or clone you. And so your main goal is to just simply answer what the local AP rogue is access point. And if you do a search of this, there is some more information in here, but I'm just looking for you to write it up. A couple of short sentences so it sticks in your mind for the future and how dangerous this can be. So thank you.